Hi guys, another little side track. Found this in one of my drawers. It's just a single LED flashlight and it doesn't work. And I've put fresh batteries in it. And I have checked, they're all good. Nothing's happening. Oh! Oh well, I was going to do a teardown. Well, I'll still do a teardown. Yeah, maybe it just wasn't done up tightly enough. So in here, we've got the 3 AA batteries, and then obviously we've got a switch of some sort. It's got a nice click to it, but I don't think we can get it out easily because that's well stuck in there. It didn't want to come out when I was just pushing the batteries through, so I think that's probably held in place. Yeah, that's not going to move. But it does look like it's not the battery that's the problem. Obviously, the steel case is part of the circuit. The negative end of the batteries go on the spring. Just show that. Go on that spring, and then they connect to the metal case, which connects to the metal case. So that's how the negative end of the battery gets to the front. Positive end, obviously, that switch is connecting the positive end through to there. Oh, we can probably show that on the voltage, can't we? So if we go on the case, on there, nothing. Press the button on the case, on there, 4.3 volts. Yeah, so the on-off switch is working. And then here, this actually comes apart. So we've got a single LED just there. Oh yes, that will come off. That's just a plastic reflector. Looks like it's heated up at some time. Then we've got a resistor. Let's come a bit closer so you can see it. Come on. Oh, very good. Out of focus. That's better. Okay, we've got a resistor in circuit, and we're going out of focus again. That's better. That does look like that resistor might have overheated, doesn't it? It's very dark. Maybe that's why the plastic reflector's got that mark in it. That would line up, wouldn't it? Ooh. But other than that, it's just the LED. It's connected to the coil that goes to the front of the thing, and then the outside edge connects to the case of the flashlight. Oh, but I wonder if that's what happened. That would line up perfectly, wouldn't it? That's overheated somehow. Interesting. Because it was working, wasn't it? But yeah, these contacts around the edge just make contact to the metal case here. And then, well, we've got it switched on at the moment. So will it come on? There we go. Yeah, it just wasn't done up tightly enough. Oh well, that's a bit of a letdown, really. Just needed tightening up. It's just a very nice looking flashlight. Let's go back to normal size. Yeah, looks nice and works. That was a surprise. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.